Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Ocho Rios and we are showing you where the UDC is going to build a massive mall called the Milford Mall. Now, in the background, those two tall buildings, that is SOL Harbor, a new development that just opened in Ocho Rios. To the left, that road is the old road that takes you out of Ocho Rios towards Fern Gully, and the bottom road is the Ocho Rios bypass. So this mall is going to be ideally located in the heart of Ocho Rios. To the right of the screen where you see the school bus, that is a jerk center location. So the mall is going to include the land we're looking at here and 9 acres going to the right. We're going to fly back around and show you. But just showing you where the mall is going to be located. That's the Rubis gas station on the left. Prime real estate. When it comes on to real estate, it's all about the location. Now, this project is referred to as the Milford Ridge Mall or Milford Village, but it's actually going to include a mall, a commercial building, an office building, and a 15-floor residential tower. And the Jerk Center will be a part of it as well. Now, those two buildings at the back, SOL Harbor, there are 7 floors each. And we have done videos where we have asked the question, why weren't they taller? Because they sold out almost instantly. Well, apparently the UDC has been listening because their residential tower is going to be 15 floors. It's going to be the tallest building in Ocho Rios. So we are going to give you more information on this development. And we can't show you the pictures of the mall, but it is a very nice architectural project. So the first section is going to be the commercial building, which is going to be 135,000 square feet. That's going to be the mall itself. Then you're going to have an office building, which is 90,000 square feet. You're going to have a residential tower, which is 15 floors, and you're going to have a massive parking lot. 1,000 cars can park at this parking lot. And then the Jerk Center, which we're looking at straight ahead now, where the bus is, that yellow school bus, that will also be a part of the project. The Urban Development Corporation is advancing plans for a major new commercial development in Ocho Rios known as the Milford Village. The development, which is expected to be located on approximately 9 acres of land in the Milford area, represents one of the most significant investments planned for the resort town in recent years. Unlike a traditional shopping mall, the Milford development is being designed as a mixed-use complex that will combine retail stores, office space, residential units, recreational facilities, and modern parking infrastructure. The project is intended to create a new business and commercial hub while supporting the continued growth of Ocho Rios as one of Jamaica's leading tourism destinations. The development is also expected to address some of the challenges associated with Ocho Rios' rapid growth. Increased parking facilities and improved urban planning features will help to reduce congestion in the town center. Modern stormwater management systems are also planned to improve drainage and strengthen resilience against flooding. For business, the Milford Village or the Milford Mall will provide additional commercial space in a town where demand continues to grow. Local entrepreneurs, professional services, restaurants, and retailers will have new opportunities to establish operations in a modern environment. The development could also attract local and international investors looking to capitalize on Ocho Rios' expanding economy. The project forms part of a broader vision by the UDC to modernize and expand Ocho Rios through strategic investments in housing, tourism, commercial facilities, and public infrastructure. Together with other planned developments in the town, the Milford Mall project is expected to strengthen Ocho Rios' position as a major economic center on Jamaica's north coast. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.